Oh shit. China actually built the bridge high into the sky. Because it is too difficult to build, it was once ridiculed by Western experts that it could not be built even after 300 years. But it only took China 3 years to complete the project and open it to traffic. It is the tallest bridge in the world, Beipanjiang Bridge. The total length of the bridge is 4,400 feet, across the U-shaped Grand Canyon. The height from the bridge deck to the valley bottom is 1,850 feet, taller than the Empire State Building. What's even more shocking is that there are no piers in the middle of this bridge. It uses 224 cable-stayed cables to hang the entire bridge deck 1 to 800 feet in the air. Such a bold operation is really unexpected. From a distance, the bridge looks like a giant dragon spanning the sky, showing China's infrastructure strength to the world with a proud appearance. I have to say that China's infrastructure is really